Keith, where are we going?
Grocery store.
To do what?
Get stuff to make apple bread with caramel glaze. I could survive on bread.
We have much bread.
We do.
I have some Doritos too in there. I am a for Doritos.
Shiro.
I'm also for you, don't worry.
What about me?
And for you.
Good.
Awkward shoulder grab. Son. Hey boys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be prepping with the paladins. Pastry with the paladins.
I'm not a paladin.
That you came with. Well, and the fiance. Anyways, we're making some bread today. Not to reference Panera Bread. By the way, it's sponsored me. But yeah, join us on this magical adventure.
What kind of bread are we making?
We're making apple bread. Yes, with the caramel glaze.
Okay.
Keith's idea.
Keith's really excited about this caramel glaze.
The farm aesthetic. Complete with this boy. Just don't mind my bangs right now. But we have got our missing ingredients and we're back for the breads. Hey, we're back. This time we're cooking in the kitchen. And I'm so sorry if you hear Charlie the unicorn in the background right there. It's unintentional. Anyways, we're about to make some apple bread. It's these guys are the apples of my life.
You're my pomme de terre.
We're a weird boy
I'm your
band.
potato.
Yeah. This is the weirdest boy band ever.
Can I be lead singer?
But hey, do you know what we can edit it on? A Macintosh.
Ooh, that was bad.
Okay, Keith.
Okay, we're gonna get started. So I guess our first step is that we are peeling some apples right now.
Some Adam's apples.
Oh, I see what you did there. But after this, we're gonna shred it like cheese. Okay.
1 cup pack.
You guys got this.
Here, I can.
Yeah, do you want to open that? I can't.
Still gonna use the prosthetic.
Yep.
Oh wait, the eggs need to be lightly beaten, so how about we crack those in there first?
Okay.
And lightly beat them.
That's a little violent, but I understand why you're the one doing it. This is baking, right?
Yeah.
Baking with the boys.
Yeah, baking with the boys. Who's that guy? Punk? He likes to bake, right?
Where do you think we got the recipe from? Look at him beating though.
I'm proud of him. A good
Great
boy.
eating.
Is it good to add the sugar?
Yeah.
Add some sweetness to your life?
And then buttermilk, we need a 1/2 cup.
I'm missing my thumb. Has anyone seen it?
It's right there.
1/2 cup of vegetable oil?
Yep. Why was that a finger gun and an eyebrow raise?
Just because I got it right. Did you? Okay. Okay, Adam. After this, we're gonna throw it out to our fairy friends.
Apple peels are so good.
So Lance?
No.
Peels to Lance?
No, we're not throwing apple peels at Lance. We're throwing them out for the little deer.
Oh my god. Really good.
Ladies and gentlemen, my mother. I'm gonna steal some apples from you. 1/4.
Shiro!
Where is the fun in cooking if you don't make a mess of everything?
I feel naked without my gloves.
You can't wear gloves when you bake.
I can cover your hand if you need me to.
Thank you.
1/2 cup of apples right now.
Yep, we just need 1 more cup.
Keith, are you just eating apples right now?
Apple skins.
You got a problem with that?
So good. This one looks like a little gun.
Sorry, I'm stealing all of your hard work. Apple soup. Apple soup.
It's good.
1.
Okay, that's 2.
Yeah, we need 2 teaspoons baking soda, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 salt, 1 ground nutmeg.
Uno. Dose. Okay, 1 nutmeg. Now we can mix it up, right?
Yep.
Can I do this with my robot on? We'll find out.
Without getting grease all over it.
Yeah.
Yay, good job, Shiro.
Very greasy.
You're in the oven.
We're not sticking anybody in the oven.
Really
just to
bad,
clarify.
Keith.
Yeah.
Some slorp.
Some cyber goo. Space goo.
It tastes like chicken, you know.
It does?
Yeah.
That's what Josh told me.
The space goo?
Yeah. I tweeted at him and I said, what does the space goo taste like? And he responded, tastes like chicken. It was the one time I got a reply.
Shiro, it tastes like chicken to you?
I can try it. Let's see.
I've never tried space goo because I wasn't in an Altean ship.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Whose fault was that?
What?
There they go.
Oh, boys.
Let's close up of our ingredients. Ooh. I don't know if I trust Keith with a knife. Seems like...
Here you go.
Oh, for me?
Yeah, for you.
'Cause I make everything butter in your life. Hey, we are back with part 2 after that quick intermission, which wasn't any intermission for you guys, but it was for us. The loaves are now cool, and we are making some icing, some glaze.
We need a quarter cup.
Quarter cup of what?
4 brown sugar.
Okay, quarter cup of brown sugar.
Yeah, but not in here yet. I just wanted to make sure we have a measuring cup ready.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Okay.
That's mean. What do you mean? Are you
I
trying
said
to
I
tell
did
me
it
that
right
I'm not prepared for things?
Yes, because you clearly weren't. Am I wrong?
No, I am ready.
Yeah, after I told you.
That's weird. This is a 2-man job.
Oh, he's in.
And here we have our boy Keith making some caramel in his
know it.
element. This is how it's done. We just added in the milk. I gotta wait until it boils. Oh, my bangs look terrible. Ugh. Anyways, we got our caramel. Caramel. It's cooling down right now. Started boiling, so we took it off the heat. And now I'm being censored by an oven. After waiting for about 30 minutes for it to cool down a bit, we're now sifting in some powdered sugars.
Look at these two.
We're having a bonding moment.
Will you cradle each other in your arms?
You know, I'm wearing
Yeah.
your boyfriend's jacket.
Wait.
know.
How do I? Okay, here we go.
Look at that sifting.
This
and that
isn't working too
stirring.
well. I can kind of stir. I tried. Ooh, look at that. It actually looks pretty good. Just ignore all the powdered sugar everywhere. It's part of the process. No, it looks good. It
It's part
adds
of the
some
artistic
color.
process.
Yes.
Ready to
Part
drizzle?
of the aesthetic. We are so ready.
I'll hold the pan for you if you want.
Okay.
Some teamwork. Look at the bonding.
This is so messy and so bad.
That's why I put a pan under it. And it's not supposed to look good.
Yeah.
It's supposed to have feeling in it. Put some love in it. You ready?
Yeah.
It's stuck. Here we go. Oh, that one was a big boy.
It was a big boy.
This is my modern art loaf. It's inspired by modernism and art.
Wow.
I feel like the other one is so under iced now.
You could
Do
have
you
more
want me
to it.
to add some more to it?
Yeah.
I'll give it some love.
Give it some love.
That was a lot.
That was a
bit
lot
too
of
much
love.
I have a lot of love to give.
I get you have a lot of love.
I'm gonna give him a slight makeover.
Okay.
Just because this looks really bad over here now because I ruined it, but you know.
It looks like you were just shushing the loaf. You're just like, shh, it's okay. Your suffering will be over soon.
It's okay,
We're
little
so
loaf.
close. Just trying to get the rest of it. Well, then we'll have caramel corn. That's why you put corn in the caramel.
I think you're supposed to put popcorn in the caramel.
That's how you make caramel.
Then it
corn.
would be
Fancy.
pop caramel corn.
Caramel popcorn.
No.
Shiro's enjoying the remainder of our.
Popcar cornmeal. Yes,
cornmeal.
that sounds right.
Yep.
That's the weirdest not portmanteau I've ever heard.
Our amazing decorating skills.
I'm gonna leave.
Don't leave, Keith. Okay.
Not until you try the bread.
Yeah, we have to cut into this. Oh no, you gave him a knife.
I put it on the table. I didn't give him the knife. I don't.
You gave him the
Exposed
knife.
to me.
You gave him the
You
knife, Shiro.
exposed me to a knife.
Don't swing that around.
Would you like to cut it?
You look like you really want to cut it.
If you want to cut it, I'll let you.
I know that's a lie, so you can go ahead and
You
cut
can
it.
cut it if you want. I'm not crazy.
Are we sure about that?
Yes, we're sure
Did we
about
have them
that.
tested?
I'm not knife crazy.
You
We
say
need to
wielding
get
a
you
knife.
tested again.
Okay, you can
I'm
cut
not
it.
addicted to cutting bread.
I trust you with a knife.
Okay.
No, you
sure.
trust him with a knife?
Okay, how thick of slices?
How big of a slice do you guys want?
Say when.
Okay, we're good.
Okay. Adam. Say when.
Okay.
That's why we're engaged.
Are you gonna say it?
When? can't see anything.
We're gonna
I left my
have
glasses downstairs.
Oh.
Do you want a bite?
Yeah, just a little.
Okay.
Me too.
Is it good?
No, it's not bad.
Yeah.
Look,
Oh,
dog.
it feels nice and moist.
Okay, let's try it. Ready? Well, thank you for joining us on our bread making experience.
It was a good experience.
It was.
We
Teamwork.
got bread out of it, so
Yeah,
I
Teamwork makes the dream work, guys.
Teamwork makes the dream works.
DreamWorks, sponsor me. Panera Bread.
Do your thing, Twitter.
That's it. Bye.